Here are some common mistakes which people usually make while speaking or writing English. I'm going to give you wrong sentences first, followed by the correct sentences. So watch the video till the end because there may be a few surprises for you. You may be making these mistakes yourself. So let's get started. Number 1. She was boring in the class? No. She was bored in the class. Number 2. I look forward to meet you. No. I look forward to meeting you. Number 3. When I find a bank? No. It's wrong. Where can I find a bank? Is right. Number 4. When I will arrive, I will call you. No. It's wrong. The correct one is when I arrive, I will call you. The next one, you speak English? Good. No. You speak English? Well. Number 6, do you like a glass of wine? No. You should ask, would you like a glass of wine? Number 7, Leela and me live here. It's wrong. Instead of saying it, you should say, Leela and I live here. Number 8, it's more hot now. No. You should say, it's hotter now. It's hotter now. Next, number 9, she is married with a dentist. No. You should say she is married to a dentist. Last one, I came Australia to study English. But you should say I came to Australia to study English. I hope now you have understood how to speak these type of sentences correctly. And I'm sure now you will speak these sentences like this. If you really got something new to learn in this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family members, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Bye bye, we will meet in the next video.